What's up, my YouTube wolves? Lycan-Strife here, Driftwolf Gaming, and I wanted to give a massive thanks and shout out to everybody who subscribed to me the last couple of days. I've been very busy, of course, with streaming a little bit of Hyperscape, the new Ubisoft Battle Royale game. You can leave in the comments down below what else would you like to see. Do you want to see some more Samsung G7 Odyssey, 32-inch monitor gaming stuff? Is there anything that I can help you guys with? This is just a video for me, for you, thanking everybody who has been subscribed to me the last couple of days. Made some friends on Hyperscape, or Hyperspace as one of my other friends would say. It was very cool. It's a cool game, very hectic. I've been busy a lot on the PlayStation 4 as well, trying to get my capture card set up, doing a little bit of Xbox 360 stuff. So yeah, I'm just like super chuffed and super happy that everybody who tuned into me the last couple of days checked out my videos. There's gonna be more Drift Racer content coming soon, and yeah, as you can see in the background right there, Scarlett is very happy with the 1500 plus subs. And yeah, I just want to thank everybody from the bottom of my heart. This is really cool. My channel is picking up a lot more steam lately. That also has to do with the stuff that I review or unbox and that I do, of course, on my channel. Again, I'm a small content creator. I do everything for the love of you and, of course, for the fun of myself. Because I do want to enjoy what I do, and that is what I do. Thanks to you guys, I can continue that. So yeah. This is just great. I'm working on some other things that are coming out in a few or upcoming days. My girlfriend is going to have vacation in 2 or 3 weeks, something like that. We're still busy with the house, doing a lot of renovation stuff. We still need to do the stairs. We need to check all the windows and stuff like that because it's a very old house. But yeah, because of you guys and girls, I'm just staying alive, doing my thing through sickness and health. It's almost like a marriage. Sometimes it might even be a love-hate relationship, but I'm super duper happy with everybody who's sticking with me and my channel. You're very loyal, and because of you, I can continue doing my stuff. So again, thank you so much. So yeah. Wait, I can explain.
What is she doing here?